Hello everyone, I am Srinivas. Welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about AP PolySet 2020 key and especially we are going to see the chemistry questions. Guys, ikkada matching adigaru. So Fe3O4 is magnetite, MgCO3 is your magnesite, ZnS is your zinc blend, Hge2S is your cinnabar. So A2, B1, C4 and D3. So you can see this is the answer. So option 3 is your answer. Suitable method for concentration of sulfide ore. So we are using the Froth flotation process. So this is the method. When Ag2S is dissolved in KCN, we are getting dicyanoargenate ion. So option 2 is your answer. In graphite, we have delocalized pi electron system, and because of this delocalized pi electron system, graphite is good conductor. So option 2 is your answer. So what is the formula for cyclopentane? Cyclo means it is a closed structure. So pent means there are totally 5 carbons. So here you can see 5 carbons are arranged in closed structure. So the remaining, so for every carbon there are 2 single bonds. So H2 is to be placed to satisfy its valency. So totally there are 5 carbons and 10 hydrogen. So C5H10. So C5H10 is cyclopentane, option 1. So they given a structure here and what is the IUPAC name. So you can see there are totally 4 carbons. So methylpropbute. So bute is the word root, and in numbering, so this is the first carbon that is having double bond. So double bond means ene structure. So bute ene at 1. So bute 1 ene. So this is your answer. So option 2 is your answer. C2H5OH on oxidation with alkaline KMnO4 turns A, and on further oxidation it turns B. So what are A and B? So C2H5OH is your ethanol, and when we oxidate ethanol we are getting ethanol, and if we further oxidize this ethanol we are getting ethanoic acid, which is nothing but acetic acid. So option 2 is your answer. So when ethanol is oxidized it turns to ethanol, and on further oxidation it turns to ethanoic acid, which is your acetic acid. Which of the following can show isomerism? So what is the rule? To show isomerism there must be a minimum of 4 carbons. So a minimum of 4 carbons can be seen in option 4. So C4H10 is your answer. So this can show isomerism. CH3COOH is nothing but a acid. It is a weak acid. Okay. So option 2 is your answer. వాల్యూమ్ ఆక్యుపైడ్ బై 10 grams of hydrogen at STP. మామూలుగా మనకి 2 grams అంటే 1 mole, 2 grams అంటే 1 mole, 2 grams of hydrogen is 1 mole, and it occupies 22.4 liters. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి మొత్తం 10 grams ఉంది. 10 grams అంటే 5 moles. సో 5 into 22.4 you are getting 112 liters. So option 1 అండి, 112 liters. So there is a reaction given here, and in this barium is displaced with the sulfate and sodium is displaced with the chlorine. So you can see 2 displacements. So it is double displacement reaction. Option 4 is your answer. Which of the following layers of a metal compound can be formed on electrical wire and it will act as an electrical insulator, which is nothing but metal oxide. Okay, so metal oxide is your answer, option 2. A thin layer of X metal used as galvanizing process. So what is the name of X? So మనం galvanization లో యూస్ చేసేది జింక్ నండి. సో జింక్ is the X here. Chemical name of baking soda. So baking soda formula is NaHCO3. So which is nothing but sodium hydrogen carbonate. Option 4 is your answer, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Color of methyl orange in base. It is nothing but yellow color. Okay, methyl orange ni base ki add cheste manaki yellow color form avutadi. Indigestion. So manaki food digest avvakapothe manam vaade medicine emantamante antacid anesi antam. So it is option 3, antacid is your answer. We know the gypsum formula is CaSO4 2H2O. So there are 2 water molecules in it. Option 1, there are 2 water molecules. సో ఇక్కడ ప్రిన్సిపల్ క్వాంటమ్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చారు 3 అనేసి. సో మనకి ఏంటంటే అజిముతల్ నెంబర్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా 3 కంటే తక్కువ ఉండాలి. సో 0 ఉండొచ్చు, 1 ఉండొచ్చు, 2 ఉండొచ్చు. సో 0 అంటే s ఆర్బిటాల్, 1 అంటే p, 2 అంటే d. సో spd ఉంటాయి విత్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ క్వాంటమ్ నెంబర్ 3. సో 3s, 3p, 3d ఉంటాయండి. ఆప్షన్ 2 ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. So which of the following is correct ascending order? So as per the Euler chart, you are getting option 1, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. So this is your answer. Maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in L shell. So L shell means principal quantum number is 2, ade n equals to 2. Maximum number of electrons is 2n square. So n square is 4, 4 2s are 8 electrons. So option 2 is your answer. సో లిథియం యొక్క వెయిట్ 7, పొటాషియం వెయిట్ 39 అయితే సోడియం వెయిట్ ఎంత అని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో డావర్నియా ట్రయాడ్ ప్రకారం లిథియం, సోడియం, పొటాషియం. సో sodium weight is the average of lithium weight and potassium weight. So you are getting 7 plus 39 by 2. So you are getting 46 by 2. So which is nothing but 23. So option 4, 23 is your answer. The correct order of electronegativity. So this is the correct order of electronegativity. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. For carbon it is 2.5. For nitrogen it is 3, for oxygen it is 3.5, and for fluorine it is 4. Number of elements in fourth period are 18. So option 3 is your answer. Non-metal present in carbon family, that is nothing but carbon itself. So carbon is the non-metal. So option 1. Element having high electron affinity among halogens, it is nothing but chlorine. So chlorine is having high electron affinity. So there is an element M1224. So it is forming ionic bond. So what will be the ions? So M12 is the atomic number. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So there are 2 more electrons here. So it will give up the 2 electrons. When it will give up the 2 electrons mean it will become 2 positives. So option 3 is your answer, plus 2. So it will become M plus 2. Okay. So this is your answer. Option 3 is your answer. Covalent bond form in nitrogen. So nitrogen form triple bond. Out of these triple bond, one is the pi bond. Sorry, one is the pi, other one is also pi, and one is the sigma. One sigma and 2 pi bonds are there. So 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds. So option 3, 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds are there in nitrogen. Hybridization present in BeCl2. So in BeCl2 there is sp hybridization. So option 1 is your answer. Shape of methane, it is nothing but tetrahedral shape. Option 3 is your answer. Which of the following has highest bond length? So in HF it is 0.918 angstrom, HCl it is 1.27 angstrom, HBr it is 1.42 angstrom, HI it is 1.61 angstrom. So it is high in HI. Hydrogen and iodine it is high. Please subscribe to my channel. Do like the video and also share the video. For new notifications, click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.